Hello. Now I would like to tell you about something called flow along surface. To do this, we will need a pattern. In this case, I have a weave. Take a look, like this. The plane to which the weave is attached and onto which we will project the weave is a plane. Here in the menu, we select flow along surface. Click on it. Here, select the objects, meaning the weave. What do we want to transfer? Click. We selected the weave, press enter. Now surface, what it is attached to. That's right. The plane on which the weave lies. Select it. And also the surface where to send all of this. Click. Look, you can actually delete this plane entirely. And we get the weave in this shape. Goodbye, everyone!